Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are well. So here you can see that in this tutorial we will make this whole website in just 5 minutes. So this is our website. You guys can see that we have our home page, our navigation bar, our logo, and underneath this we have our this area and our button here, and underneath this we have our pricing area, and underneath this we have our gallery, and this gallery is looking good. And underneath this we have our contact us page. Here you can see that we have a clean contact us page, and underneath this we have a beautiful footer here. And yes guys, this website is completely responsive. And yes guys, I will be making this website in just 5 minutes. Okay, in just 5 minutes. But it may take some more time for me, because while I am making this website I will be talking to you and I will be explaining things to you, so it can take more time for me. But I can assure you that after watching this tutorial you guys will make your website in 5 minutes or less. Okay, so let's start our tutorial. And before we start, if you guys are new in my channel, then please subscribe, like this video, and press the bell icon for the future videos. And let's go to our project file. So here you can see that this is our project file, and we just have to create one file, and this is index.html file. That's it. We don't have to make any other file here. Now we have to open our index.html file and create our basic HTML file, and here give a title, and that's it. And now open your favorite browser and create a new tab, and now you just have to type Tailwind CSS. That's it. And now click on the first link here, and now you just have to click on get started and scroll down. So here you can see that we have a link for our HTML. So now copy this link from here and paste it to here. That's it. And now again go to Chrome and now search for tail blocks. That's it. And now open this first link here, and here you can see that we have all the components here which we can use for making our website, and we don't have to write any code. Okay, everything is now here. Here we can see that we have features, and we have our e-commerce section, we have our CTA section, we have our content section, we have our contact section, and here we have our blog section. And here you can see that there are different styles. There are so much style. You guys can choose any one from here, and you guys can use these blocks in your website. And first, whenever we developers make our website, first we have to create our header. So that's why I search header here and go down. Here you can see that we have our header, and this is one kind of header, and we have our second header, third header, fourth. So we have our 4 header here. Now I will just pick this one because this one looks good. Now here you can see that this is like blue color. You guys can change your color also, but I will just keep this blue color because I like this. Now you just have to click on our view code. So here is our code here. Now copy this code from here, and now first I will make a comment here. So our first comment will be header. That's it. So this is our header. Now paste our code here. Now save and go our website. So here you can see that now we have our header here, and this header is looking so good. And here you can see that we can replace our brand name here. Now go to our HTML, and here you can see that we have our brand name, and here I will give my YouTube channel name. That's it. And here you can see that in our navigation link we have our first link, our second link, our third link. Now I will change this to home. First one will be home, and the second one will be service, and the third one will be about, and the fourth one will be contact. Now save, go our website, and now refresh. Here you can see that now we have our brand name, our home, service, about, contact. Now we have to change this button also. You guys can put anything here. You guys can put login, sign in, or read more here. I will just give login. So here will be login. That's it. Now save, go our website and refresh. So here you can see now we have our login button. Okay, so after our header, now I have to create our hero section. So for doing this, here I will create another comment here, and this will be hero. That's it. Now we have to go to our tail blocks again, and here now we have to, here you can see that we have our hero section, and this is one kind of hero section, our second hero, our third, and and here you can see that there are a few hairstyles. You can choose anyone from here. I will just take the first one. Now view code, and just copy this code from here and go to our HTML, and then now paste it here. That's it. Now save and then go our website and refresh. So here you can see that now we have our heading, our dummy text, and our button here. And in the right side we have our image, which is 720 and 600. Now I will put an image here. So for doing this, now create another tab. Now we have to search for a splash source. That's it. Now click on the first link here, and if we now scroll down, here we can see that there are actually so much images, and here in this section we can type and search for our images. And here you can see that at the end we have some our keyword here, which is nature and water. So that's why there is showing our nature and only water pictures. And here is a width and our height. Now I will change this in our code. Now first I will just copy this one from here and find our hero image section. So here you can see that this is the image section, our class, and this is our source. I will just paste the copied code into here. Okay, now paste. That's it. And now I will change the width and height for this. Here you can see that in our website we have our 720 and 600. So this will be 720 and 600. That's it. And here I want to show some tag images here. So that's why it will be technology. And for our second keyword it will be programming. That's it. Now save, go our website, and now refresh. Now here you can see we have a programming related image. Now every time we refresh, this image will be changed. Now if we now refresh again, so here you can see that this image is changed. Okay, now you guys can change your header and your text and this button also, but for now I don't want to change any heading and any paragraph from here. So now we have to add another section. So after our hero section, now this is our hero section, I will add this e-commerce section. So go to the tail blocks again and find the e-commerce section. So this is our feature section. Now I will add this feature section. So that's why view code, and then now copy this full code from here, and now we just have to type another comment here. So my second comment will be features. Now paste it here. That's it. Now if we now save, go our website, and now refresh. So here you can see that after our hero section, now we have our this feature section also, and this is now looking good. And we have a button here. You guys can change this heading, this paragraph, and this button here also, but I don't want to change anything from here. So after our feature section, I will make this our pricing section. So go to our tail blocks again and find the pricing section. So this is our pricing section, and here you can see that we can choose any of them. So for now I will choose this one. So view source code, and I click on copy this code, and go to our HTML, and then now another comment, and this will be pricing. Now paste here. That's it. Now save, go our website, and now refresh. So here you can see that we have also our pricing section, and this pricing section is looking good and so professional. You guys can change this here from our HTML, but I don't want to change anything. So after our pricing section, we have our gallery. Now that's why again go to our tail blocks and find out the gallery here. So here you can see that there is actually some kinds of gallery. So I will just add this one. So that's why click on view code and copy to clipboard. And now we have to create another comment out for our gallery. That's it. Now we have to paste our code here. That's it. Now save, go our website, and refresh. So here you can see that underneath this pricing section we have our gallery here. Now we have to add some images in our gallery. So for adding images into the according size, we have to again go to our unsplash source, and here from here we just have to copy this again code again, and just we have to paste this code in every item here. Here you can see that we have our image, and now I will paste here, and now we have to change the height and width according to our website. And here you can see that we have our 600 and 360. So here this will be 600 and this will be 360. And now we have to change our keyword. So this will be, first one will be actually people and this will be women. That's it. So I will just copy this link from here, and we have to paste this image link in everywhere and in this one also. Now for our second image I want to change this keyword also. So for this one it should be actually worker, and this will be, that's it, tag. And again for our third gallery, here you can see that we have our image section, and paste this image link here also. And this one will be a student, and this one will be our teacher. That's it. Now go to our next gallery and again paste our image link here, and this will be coding, and this will be water. That's it. Now save and go our website and now refresh. So here you can see that now we have our 6 different image here, and if we now hover, you guys can see that we have our link, button, and some text here also. You guys can change it here, but I don't want to change anything from here. So after our gallery, now I will make this contact us from. So for doing this, go to our tail blocks again. Now we have to find our contact here. So here you can see that we have our contact. There is actually 3 form. Now I will just pick this one because this one looks professional. Now click on view code and copy this code from here. Now go to our HTML. Now again comment out again, and this will be contact. That's it. Now paste our code here. That's it. Now save and then go our website and refresh, and here you can see that we have our contact us form here, and this contact us form is looking so professional and so good. So after our contact us, now we have to make our footer here like this one. So for doing this, go to our again tail blocks and find the footer section. So here is our footer section. So here you can see that this is one kind of a style, our second style, third and fourth one. So you guys can choose anyone from here. I will just add this one. So that's why copy on view code and copy this code from here. And now we have to again comment here. So this will be footer. That's it. Now again paste the code here. Now save, go our website and refresh. So now here you can see that we have our beautiful footer here. So here you can see that now we have made our website in just a few minutes. And this website is completely responsive. Here you can see that if we now decrease our screen size and go to our medium screen device, here you can see that this website is looking like this one. And if we now again decrease our screen and go to our mobile view, and this website is looking like this here. And I don't know how much time it take for me, but I can assure you that you guys can make a website under 5 minutes or less. So yeah, that's it guys. We have made our website, and this website is looking good and so professional and responsive also. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, then please subscribe, like this video and press the bell icon for the future videos. And guys, see you in our next tutorial.